Good morning, student. I think it is visible nicely that you are looking nicely from the monitor. Previous work I have solved here. So you look this nicely that what will be the answer of previous questions. What is the difference between secondary and primary storage devices? Question number 1. Primary and secondary. RAM-ROM is a primary memory. Hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD is a secondary memory. So primary memory, it is volatile. What is called volatile? That means it is not remembering. When the power is off, everything will be out from the memory. That is why it is volatile. And this is non-volatile. This is means secondary memory. Secondary memory is non-volatile. Means what you are doing on the secondary memory, it is for future use. Now number C, it is main memory. Means primary is a main memory. Without primary memory, we cannot run the computer. It is auxiliary memory. That is secondary. So this is the answer of question number 1. Now next one, what is ALU? So I have written here only the full form of ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. So where inside the CPU box, where the calculation is going on, what we are giving to the computer, actually that is called arithmetic and logical also. Logical means take the decision. Okay, these are called logical. Who can give input in computer? Next question, question number 3. Who can give input in computer? User can give input. Suppose I am giving input, I am the user. Suppose you are inputting something, you are also user. So user can give the input. Number 4, write 2 steps after input. So in computer, after input, there is 2 space, process and output. So suppose I am giving 2 plus 2, that is input, and it should be processed inside the machine, and then we are getting output. So 3 basic steps are there: input, process and output. So I said input device, process device name, output device name. So you can easily understand about this thing if you are following my class from beginning. So look at again nicely, and you will surely write in your notebook. As per the syllabus I am giving you, this is all the question answer. When you will get the book, you will surely get these all type of answers and question. Next one, you will try at your home that what is called desktop. That is totally new one. Next class also I will explain. What is taskbar? Name some software. What is called taskbar? Write the full form of OS. So one question is 2 times. What is number 2? What is taskbar and what is called taskbar? So what is icon? You will write. Question number 2. ICON. Okay, clear? Now what is called desktop? What is icon? Name some software. What is called taskbar? Write the full form of OS. That's all. You will try, and you will also write what I have given on the basis of previous work. Okay.